In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add read more in Elementor. So typically a read more is something that we can see if there is actually a hidden section on your page, for example, a blog. So in here, you can just head over to elementor.com, click onto this login option in order to log into your account. Or if you don't have one yet, click onto this get started. Once you're done, head over to your WordPress since WordPress will serve as the host for Elementor. Click on this get started in order to create an account or click on this login in order to log into one. I already have it, so let me head over and log in. Now here is my WordPress site connected to Elementor. So typically in order to use those excerpts or those read more options, you need to install specific plugins like Jetrix, Procoblock, or as well as other options like using advanced custom code or post excerpts or advanced custom fields and toggle widgets. But since we want to make things easier, we just need to use accordion or toggle widget. Head over and edit your site right here, and this is what my site looks like. Now let's scroll down and click onto this search widget and search in here for accordion. Just add it right here and drag and drop it. Now from in there, it should be able to insert it. You can input right here the first item. So in here, just input the item. You can also add in here some options in order to add it or duplicate it if you would want. And add in here a widget. So we have item 1, item 2, and item 3. For this, just head over and click onto this plus right here. Search in here for post. It can be post excerpt, post title, and likes. So for this one, I'll head over and add in here post excerpt. You can just drag and drop it right here. So using Pro Excerpt actually requires Elementor Pro, so make sure to upgrade from there in order to add it right here. But once you add that, you should be able to see that read more option in Elementor. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.